everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Ima's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make this fluffy, easy and quick pancake recipe. You can see how enticing this recipe is. I urge you to make this. You can't afford to miss this, so you stay tuned to the end of this video. So right away, in starting this our pancake recipe, fluffy pancake recipe, all you need is milk, 150 ml of milk, and one egg yolk. So that is what you need for now in making this, and we are going to whisk the milk and the yolk recipe. Yolk, yeah, we are going to whisk it. So but you need to make this recipe because you can't afford to miss this. You can't. So now we are going to add in our flour, and that is 150 gram of our flour. All-purpose flour is what I used. So you are going to, I sieved it. It's optional if you like to sieve, but I urge you to sieve it. So then we add in our salt, just some amount of salt, and we do the mixing with our hands and make sure it incorporates very well, that there will be no lumps. You can see the way I'm doing it, there is lumps, but I'm working on it so that the lumps will, I will eliminate the whole lumps. There will be no lumps in it, so that it will be easy for you, and even when you are frying it. So you have to whisk it so hard, and that's it. Keep whisking till you get the texture you want. So we are going to set it aside. You can see how yummy it is. This is just the flour and the egg milk, yolk and milk. So we set it aside. Then the next thing we are going to do is, here I have 3 egg whites, and then we are going to mix this egg white till it form that white foam, So we are going to talk about the white foaming stuff later in this video. So but before I continue with that, I would like to say, if you are coming here for the first time, you're welcome. You can see the red button there that says subscribe. Click the notification bell. I upload videos every week. So you can see the white foaming stuff. Like I said, we are going to add in, this is vanilla sachet one anyway, the powdered one that is mixed with sugar. So I mixed it with 30 gram of sugar, and we are going to continue mixing, because like I said before, that we are going to talk about this foaming stuff, because the foaming stuff helps in rising. That's why whenever you add maybe any baking stuff, you add eggs in it, what makes this the maybe recipe you added the eggs in to rise is this white foam. So it helps in rising. Should I say, it's not like a rising agent anyway, but it rises on its own. So we whisk it with the sugar to make sure everything incorporates very well, and then I keep whisking mine to get that fluffy texture and look as well. So that's it. So right now we'll stop whisking, and now it's time to, you can see how it has become, how fluffy this is. Very yummy, right? So it's time for us to add in the egg white mixture into the milk and flour and yolk batter. So we'll be adding it little by little. It's not something you add everything once, because you mix it so well. I don't over mix anyway. I just did this because I know I have other ones. So you mix it, but do not over mix. That's my own advice. So you be adding it little by little. In this form until you are sure everything has incorporated, but you will not over mix it. Just to hold it a bit, you know, to be together, and so that the egg white batter will not be separate, and yolk and flour and milk batter be separate. No. So we want to incorporate things, all this very well, without messing up the whole stuff. So that's it, and that's it for now. So right now you can see how fluffy this has become, and everything has incorporated very well. You cannot see the yellow butter separate or the white butter separate. So it's time to fry our pancake. Now the tricks here is that you have to grease your pan. So I already greased mine, and that is why you saw me putting it that way. So you have to grease your pan to avoid sticky, so that the pancake will not stick on the bottom of the pan. And another thing, secret I would like to leak to you is that when you are doing this, lower the heat. When you are adding it, the pancake, the batter in the first place, low the heat, because if you high the heat, it will overcook the way you will not like it. So that is it. And here our pancake is ready, you see. So you can see how fluffy this pancake is. Very enticing and yummy. Who will see good thing and say, oh, I can't have this? So I urge you to prepare this in your home. And the next thing is just to be adding on the honey. Oh, you want to enjoy this pancake, you need honey to use and digest this meal. Breakfast, easy and quick pancake recipe. Very fluffy, you will love it. Make sure you tag us whenever you make this recipe on your social media handles, and you can see our social media handle over there. So thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. I'm so grateful, and Merry Christmas to you all, and do have a wonderful day.